Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In today's vending industry, success goes beyond location and product selection. Operators must ensure that their machines are accessible and inclusive, serving all customers effectively. This course will explore how to design vending machines that accommodate a wide range of abilities, creating a positive experience for everyone while expanding your customer base. Accessibility is more than compliance with regulations. It involves understanding the diverse ways people interact with machines, including mobility, vision, and cognitive needs. By designing with these considerations in mind, you ensure that all users can access products independently and comfortably. Inclusivity also requires attention to context. Different environments, from offices and schools to public spaces, present unique challenges. Tailoring machine features to each setting allows for smoother operation and enhances usability for a wider audience. This course will examine physical, digital, and sensory aspects of vending machines. Physical accessibility focuses on reach ranges and ergonomics. Digital accessibility includes touchscreen design and user feedback. Sensory elements such as audio, tactile, and visual cues guide users effectively. Combining these features ensures machines are intuitive and user-friendly. We will also review technology that supports inclusivity. Adjustable dispensing trays, braille labeling, voice guidance, and mobile integration empower users to interact independently. Real-time feedback systems allow operators to refine products and services continuously, maintaining high satisfaction levels. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge to design vending machines that meet the needs of all users. You will learn how to implement accessibility features, optimize usability, and foster an inclusive experience that benefits customers and operators alike.
Module 1. Introduction to Accessibility and Inclusivity in Vending. In this module, we introduce the key concepts of accessibility and inclusivity in vending. Understanding these principles is crucial for designing machines that serve all customers effectively. Accessibility ensures that people with different abilities can use vending machines comfortably, while inclusivity focuses on creating an experience that feels welcoming for everyone. Together, these concepts improve customer satisfaction and expand your potential audience. Accessibility in vending goes beyond legal requirements. While compliance with standards such as the Americans with Disabilities Act is important, inclusive design considers real user needs. Operators should think about mobility, vision, hearing, and cognitive differences to make machines easier to use for all customers. Inclusivity also involves recognizing the environments where vending machines operate. Machines in offices, schools, hospitals, or public spaces face unique challenges. By understanding each location, operators can adjust features such as placement, interface design, and accessibility tools to ensure every customer can interact successfully. Technology plays a key role in supporting accessibility and inclusivity. Adjustable trays, clear displays, tactile buttons, and audio guidance help users navigate machines independently. Digital tools, including mobile apps and feedback systems, allow operators to monitor usage and make improvements continuously, keeping the machines user-friendly for diverse audiences. Focusing on accessibility benefits both customers and operators. Inclusive machines tend to see higher usage and fewer complaints, leading to better engagement and sales. They also demonstrate a commitment to customer care, building trust, and a positive reputation for your vending operation. By the end of this module, you will understand why accessibility and inclusivity are essential. You will be aware of the key principles, the challenges of diverse users, and the opportunities for using technology to create vending machines that serve everyone effectively. Module 2. Understanding diverse customer needs and abilities. In this module, we focus on identifying and understanding the diverse needs of vending machine users. Recognizing differences in abilities, preferences, and behaviors is essential for designing inclusive vending machines. Customers may have mobility, visual, hearing, or cognitive challenges that influence how they interact with products. By understanding these differences, operators can create solutions that are practical and welcoming, ensuring a positive experience for everyone. Mobility is a key consideration. Customers using wheelchairs or walking aids need machines with reachable interfaces, accessible trays, and clear surrounding space. Proper placement and height adjustments allow these users to access products independently. Operators should always consider physical accessibility to prevent barriers that discourage use. Visual and hearing abilities also play a major role in user experience. High contrast displays, clear labels, tactile buttons, and audio instructions can guide customers with sensory challenges. Multiple access methods, such as text, sound, and touch, ensure that information is available to all, regardless of ability. Cognitive differences must also be addressed. Some customers may need simpler menus, step-by-step guidance, or consistent layouts to navigate machines easily. Thoughtful design reduces confusion, while promoting confidence in using the machine independently. Observing customer behavior provides valuable insights. Tracking patterns such as product preferences, interaction times, and payment methods helps operators understand diverse needs. This data informs better design decisions, ensuring that machines meet expectations and provide a satisfying experience for every user. By the end of this module, you will appreciate the importance of considering a broad spectrum of abilities. You will learn how to apply these insights to design vending machines that accommodate mobility, sensory, and cognitive differences. Understanding your customers allows operators to create inclusive, functional, and enjoyable vending experiences for all. Module 3: Physical Design Principles for Accessible Vending Machines. In this module, we explore the essential physical design principles that make vending machines accessible to all users. Physical accessibility is critical for ensuring that everyone, regardless of mobility or height, can reach and operate the machine independently. By following thoughtful design practices, operators can create vending solutions that are both practical and user-friendly. Reach and height are fundamental considerations. Controls, displays, and product trays should be positioned so that customers in wheelchairs or with limited reach can comfortably access them. Proper spacing around the machine ensures easy approach and maneuverability, reducing frustration and improving usability. Ergonomics plays a vital role in accessible design. Buttons, levers, and touchscreens should require minimal effort to operate. Smooth dispensing mechanisms and clear labeling help users of all abilities interact with products safely and efficiently. Careful attention to force, angle, and layout enhances the overall experience. Visual clarity is also important in physical design. Large, high-contrast labels, clear instructions, and intuitive product arrangement help all users navigate the machine easily. Combining visual cues with tactile elements such as raised buttons or braille allows customers with visual impairments to interact independently. Maintenance and reliability are key factors in accessibility. Machines should be durable and easy to service, preventing interruptions that may hinder use for customers with special needs. Regular checks and adjustments ensure that accessibility features remain functional and effective over time. By the end of this module, you will understand how physical design impacts accessibility and inclusivity. Applying these principles ensures that vending machines are usable for a wide range of customers, providing a smooth, convenient, and welcoming experience for everyone while enhancing overall satisfaction and engagement. Module 4: Digital Interfaces and Inclusive User Experience. In this module, we examine the role of digital interfaces in creating inclusive vending machines. User-friendly interfaces help all customers interact with machines efficiently, including those with visual, hearing, or cognitive challenges. A well-designed digital system enhances accessibility, improves satisfaction, and encourages repeat use. Understanding the principles of inclusive interface design is essential for modern vending operators. Clarity is key in digital design. Menus should be simple and intuitive, with clear icons, large text, and high-contrast colors. Reducing clutter and organizing options logically ensures that users can navigate the machine easily without confusion. Touchscreens and interactive panels must consider accessibility. Buttons should be large enough for users with limited dexterity, and responsive feedback should confirm selections. Including alternative input methods such as voice commands or mobile app integration can further improve usability. Feedback mechanisms are an important part of inclusive design. Visual, auditory, and haptic signals guide users through transactions. For instance, a beep or vibration can confirm a selection, while clear visual cues show available options. Providing multiple ways to interact ensures all users feel confident completing purchases. Digital interfaces also allow operators to gather insights into user behavior. Tracking selections, navigation paths, and time spent per screen helps identify potential accessibility issues and areas for improvement. These insights support continuous optimization of the user experience. By the end of this module, you will understand how to design digital interfaces that are accessible and inclusive. Applying these strategies ensures that vending machines serve a broad range of customers effectively, creating a smoother, more satisfying, and welcoming experience for everyone. Module 5. Sensory Accessibility. Audio, visual, and tactile features. In this module, we explore sensory accessibility and its role in making vending machines inclusive. Sensory features help customers with visual, hearing, or tactile challenges interact independently and confidently. By incorporating multiple sensory cues, operators ensure that machines are usable for a broader range of users, improving overall satisfaction, accessibility, and overall user confidence. Visual accessibility is a key consideration. High-contrast displays, large fonts, and clear icons guide users effectively. Highlighting buttons or product areas with bright colors helps customers quickly identify options, making navigation faster, easier, and less confusing. Audio features also play an important role. Spoken instructions, alerts, and confirmations assist users with visual impairments. Adjustable volume and clear voice prompts ensure that all customers can follow directions and complete purchases successfully every time. Tactile elements further enhance accessibility. Raised buttons, braille labels, and textured surfaces allow users to identify controls and products by touch. Combining tactile cues with audio and visual features ensures that machines can accommodate different abilities simultaneously and reliably. Integrating sensory feedback into vending machines requires careful planning. Operators must test features in real-world settings to ensure effectiveness. Observing user interactions, collecting feedback, and analyzing results help refine designs, making machines more intuitive and user-friendly for everyone. By the end of this module, you will understand how to implement audio, visual, and tactile features to improve sensory accessibility. Using these strategies, vending operators can design machines that are inclusive, practical, and enjoyable for all customers, creating a welcoming, accessible, and universally usable experience. Module 6. Technology Solutions for Inclusive Vending. In this module, we explore the technology solutions that make vending machines more accessible and inclusive. Modern tools allow operators to enhance usability, adapt to diverse customer needs, and provide a seamless experience for all users. Understanding these solutions is essential for designing machines that serve everyone effectively. Adjustable dispensing trays and customizable machine heights are practical solutions that accommodate users with mobility challenges. These features allow products to be reached easily and reduce physical barriers, making the vending process smoother and more comfortable. Digital innovations play a significant role in inclusivity. Touchscreens with large buttons, mobile app integration, and voice-enabled controls help users interact with machines according to their abilities. These technologies create multiple access points, ensuring that no customer is excluded from using the machine. Sensory technology further supports accessibility. Audio instructions, braille labels, haptic feedback, and visual cues guide users through transactions. By combining these features, operators can cater to individuals with visual, hearing, or tactile challenges effectively. Data collection and real-time feedback systems are also valuable tools. By analyzing usage patterns and customer behavior, operators can continuously improve machine design, address accessibility issues, and optimize product offerings. This ensures that machines remain inclusive and user-friendly over time. By the end of this module, you will understand how technology can enhance vending machine accessibility and inclusivity. Applying Combining these solutions allows operators to create a more welcoming environment, improve customer satisfaction, and meet the needs of a diverse audience while maintaining efficiency and operational success. Module 7. Compliance and Standards for Accessible Machines. In this module, we explore the regulations and standards that guide accessible and inclusive vending machine design. Compliance ensures that machines meet legal requirements and provide equal access to all users. Understanding these standards is essential for operators who want to serve a diverse customer base effectively while avoiding potential legal issues. The Americans with Disabilities Act and similar regulations set minimum requirements for accessibility. These standards cover aspects such as reach ranges, clear floor space, and operable controls. Operators should study and apply these guidelines to ensure that their machines are compliant and accessible. International standards, such as ISO and EN guidelines, also provide best practices for inclusive design. These standards cover physical dimensions, interface usability, and safety requirements. Following them helps operators create machines that meet or exceed accessibility expectations across different regions. Compliance goes beyond simply meeting legal requirements. It also involves proactive testing and adaptation. Operators should evaluate machines in real-world environments, gathering feedback from users with varying abilities to identify potential barriers and opportunities for improvement. Documenting compliance is important for accountability. Maintaining records of accessibility features, testing results, and adjustments ensures transparency and provides a reference for future upgrades or audits. This also helps operators demonstrate a commitment to inclusive practices. By the end of this module, you will understand the key standards and regulations that govern accessible vending machines. You will gain insight into how to apply these requirements in practical ways, ensuring that your machines are both legally compliant and genuinely inclusive for all users. Module 8. Optimizing Placement and Environmental Considerations. In this module, we examine how the location and environment of vending machines affect accessibility and usability. Proper placement ensures that all customers, including those with mobility challenges, can access products easily and safely. Understanding environmental factors allows operators to create a more inclusive and practical vending experience. Accessibility starts with thoughtful positioning. Machines should be placed on level surfaces with enough surrounding space for wheelchairs, walking aids, or groups of users. Clear pathways and unobstructed access points reduce physical barriers and improve the overall customer experience. Lighting and visibility are important environmental factors. Adequate illumination allows customers to see buttons, displays, and products clearly. Avoiding glare, shadows, or poorly lit areas ensures that visual cues and interface elements remain usable for everyone. Noise and sensory distractions also impact usability. Machines in noisy or crowded areas should provide audio feedback that can be heard clearly, while visual indicators remain prominent. Environmental considerations ensure that customers with sensory sensitivities can interact effectively. Temperature, ventilation, and space constraints influence product functionality and accessibility. Machines should be placed where environmental conditions do not interfere with operation or product quality. This prevents malfunctions and ensures that users can complete transactions comfortably. By the end of this module, you will understand how location and environmental factors impact accessibility and inclusivity. Optimizing placement and considering surroundings helps operators provide a welcoming, efficient, and safe experience for all customers, improving satisfaction and usage across diverse environments. Module 9. Gathering Feedback and Continuous Improvement. In this module, we focus on the importance of collecting user feedback and using it to enhance vending machine accessibility and inclusivity. Understanding customer experiences allows operators to identify challenges, improve usability, and ensure machines meet the needs of all users effectively and consistently over time. Feedback can come from multiple sources. Direct observation, surveys, and digital tracking systems provide insights into how customers interact with machines. Operators should use a combination of methods to capture both quantitative and qualitative data, giving a comprehensive and detailed view of overall user experience. Analyzing feedback is critical for continuous improvement. Patterns such as frequent errors, abandoned transactions, or repeated questions indicate areas where accessibility can be enhanced. By reviewing these trends carefully, operators can make informed adjustments to interface design, physical features, or placement. Incorporating suggestions from users with diverse abilities ensures that improvements are meaningful and practical. Engaging with customers who have mobility, sensory, or cognitive challenges helps operators understand real-world difficulties and prioritize changes that make a tangible difference to daily use. Iterative design and testing are essential for long-term success. After implementing adjustments, machines should be monitored again to evaluate their effectiveness. This ongoing process creates a continuous cycle of improvement, ensuring that vending machines remain inclusive and user-friendly for all types of users over time. By the end of this module, you will understand how to gather actionable feedback and implement continuous improvements effectively. Applying these strategies ensures that vending machines evolve to meet diverse customer needs, creating a more inclusive, accessible, practical, and satisfying experience for all users. Module 10. Case Studies and Best Practices in Inclusive Vending. In this module, we explore real-world examples and best practices for designing inclusive vending machines. Case studies illustrate how operators have successfully implemented accessibility features, demonstrating practical solutions and highlighting lessons learned. Understanding these examples helps operators apply effective strategies in their own environments. Successful implementations often focus on multiple aspects of inclusivity. Combining accessible placement, physical design, and digital interfaces ensures that machines serve a broad range of users. These comprehensive approaches provide insights into how different strategies work together to create seamless experiences. One notable best practice is engaging directly with users during the design phase. Soliciting feedback from customers with mobility, sensory, or cognitive challenges allows operators to address real needs. This participatory approach ensures that features are practical and genuinely beneficial. Another key practice is iterative testing. Operators regularly monitor usage, collect feedback, and make improvements based on data. Testing in real-world environments allows teams to identify unforeseen issues, refine accessibility features, and optimize machine functionality for diverse users. Documentation and training are also essential. Clearly recording accessibility features, adjustments, and operational procedures ensures consistency. Staff training ensures machines remain usable and properly maintained, preserving the inclusive experience over time. By the end of this module, you will understand how to leverage case studies and best practices to enhance inclusive vending machine design. Applying these lessons allows operators to create accessible, user-friendly machines that meet diverse customer needs while maintaining efficiency and reliability. Conclusion: after completing this course, you now understand how to design vending machines that are accessible and inclusive for all users. Accessibility is more than a legal requirement, it is a commitment to creating an environment where every customer can use vending machines confidently. Considering mobility, sensory, and cognitive needs allows operators to make meaningful improvements that enhance the overall experience. You have learned how to identify diverse customer needs and turn them into actionable design choices. Recognizing differences in abilities and preferences allows operators to create solutions that are practical, functional, and welcoming. This ensures machines are usable by a wider audience, fostering satisfaction and repeat use. Physical design principles, including reach, ergonomics, and layout, are essential for accessibility. Thoughtful height placement, clear pathways, and intuitive interfaces ensure customers can access products safely. Combining these with sensory features such as tactile buttons, audio cues, and visual indicators improves usability for everyone. Digital interfaces play a key role. Simple menus, responsive touchscreens, voice-enabled options, and alternative input methods make machines easier to navigate. Collecting feedback and analyzing user behavior allows operators to optimize interfaces and solve accessibility challenges effectively. Compliance with accessibility standards ensures machines meet legal and ethical requirements. Learning from case studies and applying best practices allows operators to create machines that are reliable, inclusive, and user-friendly. Testing and iterative improvements ensure accessibility enhancements continue. Ultimately, designing vending machines for accessibility benefits both operators and customers. Operators can reach a broader audience, improve satisfaction, and reduce barriers, while users enjoy a welcoming and practical environment. Applying the principles in this course equips you to create vending experiences that serve everyone efficiently.